Hi everyone, my name is Nicholas. Welcome to How to Eat Right. Today I'm going to be cooking up some Philly cheesesteaks for you guys to show you how to make some. Today we have some flank steak that are thinly sliced steak that I get from my butcher at the store. And then I got some bell pepper. I like it with the different color bell pepper, the red, yellow, green, orange. I like to use all of them. They're very healthy, have a lot of vitamins in it, very good for your body. Also, I have some onions here that I'm going to also put into to combine into the whole Philly cheesesteaks. So this is what we're going to end up doing. We'll be right back. All right, everyone. So we're back. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to throw some of these flank steaks right on the pit. You really don't have to use any oil or anything because the juice from the meat already is going to be enough. So alrighty guys, I have my flank steaks on the barbecue. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start seasoning it. I got this seasoning from the store, and it's a steak chopped seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top of it, not too much. Just give it a little bit of a flavor to it. You can use that, or you could use any kind of seasoning that you want to use. Now go ahead and I'm going to spread it out a little bit to get the seasonings all into the meat. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start flipping them over. Me particularly, I like to keep on flipping them over because I don't like them to keep on cooking on one side all the time for a long period of time. Some say keep it on one side and keep on cooking it that way. Some of them says keep on flipping it. It's all the preference of each individual that wants to do it. Just spread it around. And while those are cooking, I like to throw my vegetables on the pit. This right here, I'll put a little bit of oil onto it, so none of this will stick. And then I'll throw some onions in it. And I like to use some Worcestershire sauce to put a little bit of flavor into it. Sprinkle some of this onto that. Get it all around. Get it all mixed up and get the sauce going on it. Get it into it. Let that go. With the Philly cheesesteak, you could really make any kind of style Philly cheesesteak you want. You could do it with some creamy cheese. Or you could get slices of cheese and put it right on top of it. You don't have to do with bell peppers or onions. You could just do it plain with just the meat itself. It's whatever the preference that you all would like to go with. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit onto this side That's seasoning. I'm going to start combining them all together, just get them all cooked up, and then I'll divide it up. Check my flame, make sure my flame is not too high, and also it's not too low. It's really good on a flat top barbecue when you're cooking something like this. If you do it on a grill that it has grits into it, it can fall through and go right into the where the fire is at. A flat top is a great kind of source of barbecue to use. We're checking up all my vegetables. So, and we'll be right on back, and I'll show you on how we're gonna make up these Philly cheesesteaks.